In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales pipeline using HubSpot, which is an essential tool for managing your sales process efficiently. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, this tutorial will guide you through the basics, step by step. Let's dive in. To start off, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot trial guide. This is where all the action starts. You'll be greeted with a dashboard that serves as the command center for all your CRM activities. It's a good idea to take a quick look around and familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to HubSpot. Now, once you're on the dashboard, the first step is to click on CRM. This is your go-to place for managing all your customer relationship activities. The CRM panel is packed with tons of features, but today we are focusing on creating a pipeline. Next, you're going to click on Deals. The Deals section is crucial because it allows you to see all the business transactions you have going on. It's where you'll be setting up the nuts and bolts of your sales pipeline. You'll find this option in the main menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Once you're in the Deals section, look for the Create button. It usually stands out, so it shouldn't be hard to spot. Clicking on it will open a new deal form. This is where the creation of a new deal begins, setting the foundation of your pipeline. Following this, you'll need to click on Deal Name. Here you input the name of your deal. It's important to choose clear and descriptive names so that you can easily identify them later. A well-named deal can save you a lot of time when managing multiple deals. After naming your deal, the next step is to click on Pipeline. The Pipeline dropdown allows you to assign your deal to the appropriate sales pipeline. This is essential for organizing your sales process and keeping track of where each deal is in your sales journey. Then you'll want to select the deal stage. Each deal needs to be placed at the correct stage in your pipeline, reflecting where it currently stands in the sales process. Is it prospecting, negotiation, or perhaps closed one? Assigning the right stage is vital for accurate progress tracking. Finally, you need to click on Amount. This is where you'll input the monetary value of the deal. It's crucial to enter the right amount to accurately forecast your sales revenue and achieve your business goals. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a sales pipeline in HubSpot. With practice, these steps will become second nature. By keeping your sales pipeline up to date, you'll have a clearer view of your sales process and be better equipped to meet your targets. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on maximizing the power of HubSpot.